Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the image of a contact on any iPhone. Please friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments under this video, and also do not forget to put your likes. So, let's get to our interesting topic friends. And first, you're gonna need to open your phone book on your iPhone. And then select the image of the contact that you would like to change. When you find that contact, you will need to top right-click Edit. Also now, under the picture, once again tap the word Edit. Now at the bottom, go to Settings. Then select the contact's photo. Here, either you will already have a contact photo that you can edit a little bit. First of all, you can click on Crop, and thus in any way you want to crop the photo. Zoom in or zoom out as you need it specifically. And after that, at the bottom right, click to save your changes. Also friends, you can choose any filter you want if you feel it's necessary to apply to the photo. And now at the top, click Done. Now, if you would like to upload a completely different photo, you'll need to click at the very bottom, Edit and Upload Photo. Then select your photos, and then you can click on All. And so you can scroll through, you can look through your photos and pick exactly the one you would like to see on this person. Also similarly, you can somehow zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. It is at your discretion. Then you can save the change at the bottom. And also pick up some filters if necessary. At the top, click Next. Now you need to click Done at the top. In this way, the photo of the contact image will be changed and will be different from your poster to the same contact. And not to forget to save the changes, be sure to click on the top right, Done. Friends, this is the way you can easily change the contact image on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please do not forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.